Aditya, the focus also on this Al Falah University. We've seen multiple security agencies enter, exit through the morning, all of yesterday. Hectic activities going on there. This has now become the center of the probe for obvious reasons.
Well, that's right, Vedika. You know, two of the epicenters of this new JESH module of the doctors is the Al Falah University and also the rented accommodation that was taken in the Dodge village of Faridabad in Haryana. So this becomes the focal point of the investigation both for the Haryana police, the J&K police, and apart from that, the NIA that has just taken over the investigation yesterday. In the coming hours and days, we could see the NIA also visiting the Al Falah University because this is directly linked to the Delhi bomb blast. Now, we've had a statement from the Al Falah University condemning, the blast and also expressing solidarity and condolences with the victims. But that's not enough. The agencies and the police will go through what kind of activities were happening there since the last few years. We know that since 2019, they had the medical courses in implementation, and the majority of the students and the doctors inside this particular university and medical center were from the Kashmir Valley. So what kind of connection was there? Were there other people that were recruited as well? Yesterday, J&K police and Haryana police had picked up 3 junior doctors from there. They were interrogated threadbare. They did confess that they were in touch with Muzammil and others, but they were not aware of any kind of terror conspiracy or ammunition that was stored by Muzammil and others in this particular university, and also the rented accommodation not very far away in Faridabad, Haryana. So this particular Al Falah University becomes very, very critical because both Muzammil and Shaheen were part of this particular university. They were using this particular area for storing some of the ammunition and weapons, and also perhaps trying to recruit and indoctrinate other doctors into this entire web of the Jaish-e-Mohammed doctors module. So it's a big development coming at this hour, even as we report continuously, relentlessly on the latest on the investigations regarding the Red Fort blast and also the larger conspiracy of this Jaish-e-Mohammed doctors module. We do know that Muzammil during interrogation has confessed that there was recce of several locations that was done in Delhi NCR. There were 20 timers that were recovered. That did indicate that in the coming days, weeks and months, there was a conspiracy to hit Delhi. In the past, Vedika, you would remember that in 2005 and 2008, we've seen serial blasts happening in Delhi where there were casualties, a lot of fear psychosis also. But in the last 14 years, we haven't seen any kind of a major terror attack or bomb blast taking place in Delhi. So it's for the first time in 14 years, such a large terror conspiracy has been unearthed, and the bomb blast has taken place in the heart of the national capital. While many in the intelligence apparatus say that this was not a planned bomb blast, it was a panic attack in many ways. Even before the intended target, the blast took place because the person, Dr. Umar, who was part of that vehicle that exploded, did not know what to do. So perhaps he was trying to transport that ammunition which was in the back seat of that particular vehicle, but it exploded once the car was driving through that particular red light very slowly outside the Red Fort at Subhash Chowk right behind me, where the NIA sleuths are currently investigating the chemicals that were used. Apart from ammonium nitrate, a lethal cocktail of chemicals that was used for this explosion that resulted in 9 casualties and 20 other people being injured. So it's a national kind of an investigation that the NIA has launched. There could be a possibility that there are other radicals that are involved. Initially, there were reports that some radicals from Odisha, Tamil Nadu and other places are involved. As of now, multiple pronged approach of the investigation from the NIA, J&K police and Haryana police and the Delhi police continues.
Aditya, I want to recap what you're saying before we go to the next breaking, which is that a major revelation has been made in the investigation, which is that the Red Fort, India Gate, the Constitution Club, the Gauri Shankar Temple, major railway stations and shopping malls were on the terror radar of these terrorists, and this conspiracy was underway from January 2025, and the terror module had been something similar to 26/11 Mumbai attacks is what they were planning for several months.